Hello my lovely students, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and following all the instructions of your teachers properly, right? Students, currently in 6th class we are doing writing skills, right? In the recent video we have learned how to write leave application. So in today's video lesson we will further learn that how to write a leave application by taking another question. So without any delay, let's begin. So to understand, let's see the question. The question says, write a leave application to the principal of your school for 3 days as you have to visit your hometown to attend cousin sister's wedding, right? Understood the question? Let's see. Write a leave application. Now what we have to write here? We have to write a leave application. And to whom we are writing this? To the principal of your school. So we have to write this to the principal of our school. For 3 days we have to write. And what is the reason? As you have to visit your hometown. Now you have to visit your hometown, okay? And why you have to visit? Because you have to attend your cousin sister's wedding, okay? Clear? The question is clear. Now let's see the format, that how we can write this application. So students, as you all know, we always start our letter with the sender's address. Now who's the sender? I already told you, you are the sender, right? Since you are writing this letter, so you have to write your own address. So number 1, you have to write sender's address. After that, you have to leave a line, okay? And then what comes the next? Then comes the date, and you have to write the date properly, right? You have to write 21st of May 2020, okay? Then you have to leave a line and you have to write receiver's address, the most important thing in the letter. Now who's the receiver? Beta, receiver is that person who will receive this letter, right? Who will get this letter. So who will receive this letter? The principal, right? We are writing this to the principal. So the principal will receive this letter, and the principal belongs to where? Belongs to the school, right? So that is why you have to write the address of your school, name and address of the school. Joseph and Mary Public School, Shastri Park, Nathupura Road, Burari, Delhi 84, right? And you have to write the pin code properly, 110084, okay? Now students, you must be thinking that in brackets I have written certain words and I have put a cross over there. Now why I have done this way? Because these are some common errors done by students, right? Most of the time I see that in these type of questions you write wrong spellings of wedding, address, the principal. So I have written that if you will write these spellings, these are incorrect, right? Most of the time I see to wedding students write wedding, address also wrong spelling, and the most common error about the principal and Mary. Beta, most of you write incorrect spelling of principal. This principal we use in science, right? So you don't have to follow this principal. You have to follow the way I have written, okay? So you have to avoid these mistakes. That is why I have written these mistakes in the brackets, okay? Now let's talk about the subject. In subject, it is already given in the question that you have to write a leave application for how many days? Yes, correct. You have to write for 3 days. Now let's talk about the content. Before content, you will be writing salutation, that madam, okay? Then we'll start the content. With due respect, I dash, here your name will come. I dash of class dash, your class and section, would like to inform you that, here you will say, would like to inform you that I will not be able to attend the school for 3 days, right? Now you will mention the dates. For 3 days, that is from 22nd May 2020 to 24th May 2020, as I have to visit my hometown. Now beta, in bracket you can write where your hometown is, okay? So you can write that as well. My hometown, that I have written Punjab, okay? Urgently to attend my cousin sister's wedding, full stop, okay? We are only talking about to the point. We have to be very precise, right? We are not writing any stories in it. To the point we will talk. Kindly grant me leave for the above mentioned dates I shall be highly obliged to you, right? Then you will leave a line, you will close it, right? In the closing, you will write thank you, yours obediently. Now again I have written in the bracket that you people write incorrect spelling of obediently. Okay, so you have to follow the way I have written. Okay, so yours obediently, then your name, class and section, and roll number, right? Correct? So I hope that this entire question is clear to you all, and I'm sure that by now you all must be confident that how to write leave applications, isn't it? So students, you have to follow this pattern and make sure that you revise the format of leave application. Okay? Clear? So you have to write this in your notebook, so do check the description box, and one question you have to write by yourself. So do check the link in the description box for your assignment. So students, I hope that this entire question is clear to you all. Now you can do the questions by yourself. Okay, so now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, keep on completing your assignments, keep on revising the letter, and before going, what you have to do, you have to like the video, you have to subscribe to my channel, and you have to share the video with your friends and classmates. So goodbye, take care.